Hello everyone, welcome to BilisummaaShow with Wayesa. Like I said it before, do not get distracted by the TPLF now by the Milenik's cousins. Yes, Milenik's cousins uploaded this video. Yes, they want you to believe Oromo killed Amara Christians. They want you to boycott the coke. They want you, TPLF wants you to talk about the coke. They all want to distract you. I said, do not get distracted. Let me move on with this story. Nuredin Hasen was kidnapped from Oromia University, taken to police custody where he was tortured and killed by the Tigray government. Yes, in my opinion, he was killed by Tigray government in the hands of Tigrinya speakers. Rest in peace, Nuredin Hasen. Again, Nuredin Hasen was killed by Tigrinya speaking government. He was only 21. Rest in peace, Nuredin Hasen. Before Nuredin Hasen body was released to his family from Malawi prison and transported to his hometown for the funeral service, the authorities requested $500. Yes, let me say this really quick. First, they kidnapped him. Two, they tortured him. Three, they killed him, they broke his arms and abused him in a prison. Four, now they wanted $500. Yes, from his family. Rest in peace, Nuredin Hasen. He was only 21. Killed in the hands of Tigray government. You are watching BilisummaaShow right here on YouTube.com. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. You take care. Bye-bye.